A multimeter is an essential tool in a technician's toolbox. They are used for measuring electrical properties such as voltage or ohms. It's important to properly maintain it and calibrate it. First, let's talk storage. If your multimeter came with a storage box, use it. Otherwise, keep your multimeter somewhere that protects it from any physical damage. One of the most common ways to damage a multimeter is to drop it. Even a small drop can mess up the calibration on a multimeter, particularly on analog versions. On occasion, you'll need to verify the accuracy of your multimeter. Start by setting your multimeter to its lowest resistance setting. This is typically marked by the word ohms or the ohm symbol. Touch the end of the red probe to the end of the black probe and ensure the value is 0.5 or less. Next, test the voltage against a known source, such as a new 9-volt battery. Switch the knob to the voltage measurement setting, then touch the red probe to the battery's positive terminal and the black probe to its negative terminal. You should get a reading very close to 9 volts. If your equipment fails either of these tests, you either need to replace it or have it calibrated according to the manufacturer's instructions. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next Tech Tip.